Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to be talking about the one thing that video games taught me, and it is to control your emotions and be like, oh, whatever, it's alright. You're not really bothered by anything, you aren't really like super mad when something bad happens, and yeah. So, uh, this probably isn't just the one thing that video games taught me because I was playing like all my childhood, and so I've learned probably more things. But this is the one big one that I can think about right now. Let me tell you a story. So back in COVID, when it started out, I was this big gamer, right? I was playing League of Legends. That was my game. I just discovered League. My one friend actually gave me a recommendation that I should play it, and yeah, I started, and it wasn't bad. So I started playing League of Legends, and I quickly like think about like playing ranks and yeah, like being a good player because I'm a competitive player, like I have a competitive personality. I want to be good at everything. So what I did was like research about this, like how to be better, and I learned some things. I started maining jungle, Kane, Kane in the jungle, and yeah, like I was like, well, maybe I'm gonna be good at him, maybe not. Like I'm certainly not gonna be anywhere near like diamond or like master or challenger. I'm just gonna like play because I played all my childhood. That's what I did. I was just playing games. I was just gamer. So yeah, and then a bit of time went by and I've learned some things that yeah, you should do this, this is the correct build, this is the best path, and all this stuff that's like game terms and how to play the game better. So I've learned and learned. I climbed ranks. I was silver, and yeah, I was silver, then I got gold. I was like, holy, this is great. Gold, there must be good players. Well, let me tell you that they are not. Yeah, well, maybe in Platinum there are gonna be good players. And I got Platinum, and no, there still weren't very good players. But this is not about like League of Legends as a game, right? I'm just telling you. So yeah, now when I got Plat, I was like, oh, I'm getting better. Like this is, I may be getting Diamond, and yeah, I got Diamond in a few months. It wasn't as easy though. But it wasn't really that hard either. And when I got Diamond, that's another thing that I learned. I just I just remembered that when you when you get more, like you get it and you think it's gonna be enough, but no, it's not enough. It's never enough because it's always this dopamine rush, and you think that, oh, I get this and I'm gonna be happy. No, you're not gonna be happy when you get it. When you get it, you're gonna be looking for what's next. That's how life works. That's another thing that I learned, that I just remembered. So yeah, I got to diamond, and then I wanted to get master, and yeah, that was really hard, but I got it in like a year. So that's about it. And what I learned, you had to learn like a lot of stuff because of course you're not gonna be getting to master as a beginner and when you don't really know much about the game. So yeah, the big thing that I learned was that when someone was really mad and just like shit talking me and like saying to that I should die and all this stuff because that's really popular in League, this toxicity. telling your teammates to kill themselves and such things. So yeah, of course, and as a jungler you're the most targeted person because everything is your fault. So yeah, what I did was at the beginning when I was lower rank, like I got mad at it. Like I was so mad because he was playing bad and it was my mistake. Like what the hell? And yeah, I was so mad about it. But then as you climb, you realize that that's how people are. They sometimes blame you for their mistakes. And what you have to do is be just like, oh, whatever. I will mute him and do my thing. That's how you gotta act in real life as well. That's why I'm making this video because this goes to real life as well. So when someone is just like is shit talking and saying that you're this, you're that, like don't don't really like don't care about it. Like you have your own goal, you have your own plan, and why should this freak tell you what to do? Well, you do your own thing. You're a masculine man, you know what to do, and you do it. You're not gonna listen to others to doubt their doubts, and it's not helping you in any way. When you know what to do and you have a plan, well, that's what you have to do. Others' opinions don't really matter when you have your own and you think it's right what you are doing. This is a lovely coffee I just made. I like coffee, man. So, and yeah, another thing that was happening was that they were sometimes like not even trying to win, and that would get you really mad. And then in the next game, you wouldn't be as focused because you were still mad about the last game where your teammates weren't playing good. Someone maybe went AFK, which means that they stopped playing basically. And yeah, this gets people mad, especially when the next game is really bad as well. Like your bot lane just decides to lose and you can't really play. So the enemy is stronger, and yeah, the game is basically just over. So that's 2 games lost, and your mind is already like, oh, whatever, this game is shit. Like, and then you start playing in an hour again, but you're still mad about it. You're still like, oh my god, my teammates are so trash. But man, like, of course that's gonna happen. That uh sometimes in life it doesn't go as planned, but it's not in your control. You cannot control how your teammates play, nor how does life play. So what you can do is control what you do, how you play in life. If you go to the gym, like, of course, if you go to the gym and actually have a meaningful workout, you're gonna get some muscle. But if you don't, well, you aren't going to get good muscles. Like, you have to do what you can to make your life the best. You can't just hope that, well, maybe my teammates are going to be playing good and that's why I'm going to climb. No, I have to be playing good and that's why I will climb. Because just like in the game, there are players that play good and they are like really high up, rank 1, and you are still down here for some reason. Just like in life, there are people who are millionaires, billionaires, and they are there for some reason. Most of the people that are that rich, for example, when they would if they would go broke, they could get to that level in a few months or maybe years. But they could easily do it because they now know how to do it. So there's no way to hope that, oh, maybe if maybe if the tree in my garden will start growing money, I will be rich. No, man. Like, that's dumb. You see? What you can do is influence yourself. So if I want to get rich, then I will research about maybe starting a business, and I will start my own business. I have a good idea, so I might implement it in my business. My business might grow, and you get some money from your business, you reinvest it, and boom, after some time, you're gonna get rich. You see, you're gonna get valuable experiences and valuable information from that and all that sort of stuff. But that's about how everything goes. Like, you can't just hope that your teammates will be better. Like, that's dumb. You see, you have to do what you can do. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.